Good morning. Hello to everyone. Happy Memorial Day weekend. And welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. Got the coffee. Hope you're all having a wonderful weekend thus far. And the extended weekend, as most of us have today off. I still have a child though. But I wanted to take a moment and to reflect on Memorial Day. And do we really know what Memorial Day is all about? Do you remember how it started? Memorial Day actually started, and it was named something differently. It was called Decoration Day, and it was started shortly after the Civil War to honor the Union and Southern troops, the soldiers who had died during the Civil War. And it continued on as a tradition, but it was called Decoration Day. Then in 1967, they changed it to Memorial Day. But it wasn't until 1971 and they had it became a federal holiday. Now, if you can ask any service member today and ask them about Memorial Day, they'll tell you, please don't honor us today. It is not about us. It's about the brave men and women who sacrificed their lives to our country. And the many wars that we've had and conflicts. It's to honor those veterans who gave their lives, their ultimate sacrifice for our freedoms of speech, for our freedom of worship, for our freedom, for all the freedoms that we enjoy here in the United States. That is what today is truly about. And I hope you will take a moment to remember all the people that we've lost. Me personally, I am grateful for the sacrifices that my loved ones made and the love of my life made. So take a moment to remember that. Go back and reflect and remember those who lost and gave the ultimate sacrifice so that we can enjoy our freedom. It's just not a 3-day weekend. It has meaning, significant meaning to it. So I hope you remember that. This week, I don't have a lot planned for this week because I was busy enjoying my weekend. But tomorrow I have a little cute Dollar Tree haul for you. Wednesday I have a little Dollar Tree DIY for you. And then Thursday I have a little card design Thursday. All this is based off a gift that I created this weekend for this weekend. And then of course Thursday night live at 7:15 on Thursday evening we will be continuing on with our lace book. And I've been trying so hard not to mess with it, but no promises there. So, and then Friday, I'm not sure if I'm going to have a keto living Friday. I had a week of an egg fast, and I'll explain more about that on my other channel. So if you've not subscribed to my other channel, my keto journey, please go over there and subscribe to that channel. You will find more recipes and more information on that channel, and you're going to be seeing some before and after pictures over there pretty soon. So I ask you to do that. So I hope you will join me for the little videos that I have this week, and I hope that you continue having a beautiful, blessed day and have a wonderful week. Thanks for joining me this morning for Monday Morning Coffee. I'm going to be off of here, and we're headed to the water park. See you soon. Bye-bye.